Hello FPL managers, welcome back to the channel. I've got for you a wildcard draft for game week 7. If you're looking forward to activate your wildcard this week, I've got for you the best picks blended up in a team to give you a huge advantage. So let's get started. A 4.5 million goalkeeper that gets you a decent amount of clean sheets. Ramsdale is a perfect choice for now. He's got 2 clean sheets so far. He's got a good amount of fixtures coming up. Arsenal are defensively stronger and they are now playing pretty confidently. Duffy is a budget defender to keep for this week. He has had his share of clean sheets, but the most important thing is that he has been returning attackingly. Rudiger is the Chelsea defender to keep according to me. He's a starter. Chelsea's clean sheets are guaranteed in a lot of games and he possesses attacking threats. Cody the Wolves defender is the third one in my side. Wolves have kept 2 clean sheets so far. The midfield has to be the part where you can generate the most points. Sarr is a player that you should still keep in your side for the Leeds fixture at least. He has scored 4 goals this season. The Watford winger has taken 16 shots similar to Jimenez and Benrahma. Leeds have conceded 14 goals this season. Salah is up next. He's in form and returning in almost every game despite the fixture difficulties. An advantage with Salah is that when you're not sure about anyone, you can always captain him. So Saka is the new addition in the squad and in the midfield. Arsenal has now gained form and they are in there to win games. Saka has been really good for them. The Arsenal midfielder has 1 goal and 2 assists this season already. Just like Saka, Rafinha is the Leeds midfielder who has some good set of fixtures coming up. He's the best player Leeds have in terms of creativity and scoring. He even returned last week too while playing with a hip injury. Moving on to the forwards, Lukaku now comes in for Ronaldo. A good set of fixtures for the Chelsea striker. The Belgian already has taken 14 shots on goal this season. He faces Southampton this week who already have conceded 7 goals. Antonio continues his run as a top scorer for this season alongside Salah and Jamie Vardy. A mixed set of fixtures for the West Ham forward, but his form looks promising. Jimenez finally returned last week after struggling for some game weeks. He had his share of shots, but the forward was out of luck. The forward has 16 shots, similar to Sarr. He still has 5 to 6 good fixtures to capitalize on and return the managers who own him. Talking about my bench now, I have Tah there, even though he's injured, but he'll surely return after a game week or 2, and you do not want to miss out on him. The stats are just too good for a defender. Gallagher, the creative midfielder from Crystal Palace, and Omo Bamidele are the other 2 options on the bench. Foster is the second choice goalkeeper. So this is the best wildcard draft according to me. You can definitely chip in your suggestions in the comments below. Please subscribe to the channel to support me. This is it from my side. Thank you for watching FPL Experts.